wanna cross if you down. I might put her ass on snooze if you down. Maybe we could break the rules if you down. Just let me know, yeah, if you down. Love you cause I'm showing up with you. Like baby, when I fall, you pick me up. Like you bless me with all your love. I can't hold up, we can never go down. All the way up from here, that's what I want. If they try to put you down, I shoot. They can never wear the same shoes. They don't match up, it's their lust if you down. I can take you on a cruise if you down. I might put her ass on snooze if you down. Maybe we could break the rules if you down. Just let me know if you down. We gon' win all the awards cause if you down. Big couple goals if you down. When I touch down, we go down if you down. Just let me know, yeah. Know I make minimum wage, but when it's time I got something to say. I be praying everything go my way, and if it does, I'll buy you a ring. Yeah, all I want, all I need, yeah. You hold me down, yeah. Know I make minimum wage, but when it's time I got something to say. I be praying everything go my way, and if it does, I'll buy you a ring. Yeah, all I want, all I need, yeah. Hold me down. Cause if you down, I can take you on the cross if you down. I might put that ass on snooze if you down. Maybe we could break the rules if you down. Let me know, cause if you down, we gon' win all the awards if you down. We couple goals if you down. When I touch down, we go down if you down. Just let me know if you down. I can take you on a cruise if you're down. I might put that ass on snooze if you're down. Maybe we could break the rules if you're down. Just let me know if you're down. We gon' win all the awards if you're down. Couple goals if you're down. When I touch down, we go down if you're down. Just let me know.
because I knew I was going to do it at the end, and they wanted it to be a chill video from the beginning. But mine is to just thank you guys for the love and support you have shown my channel. Okay, I don't take it for granted. For each and every subscriber on this channel, just know you are appreciated. I may not know you personally, but thank you so much for the love and support, okay? I don't take it for granted. We reached 4K watch hours. We were monetized. I'm just waiting for my pin, but that will come after the ads. So I'm just requesting if you can watch the ads. Not only that, a big thank you for making it happen for me. So yeah, mine is to also wish you a happy new year, a prosperous one, because I know at the end of the week it will be a happy new year and I won't upload any video. So yeah, thank you so much for the love and support. I don't know you personally once again, but you are appreciated, okay? For those who come back, comment down below as kwa nini umepotea. I see your comments and I really appreciate it, okay? Thank you so much once again for the love and support. Let's meet on the new year, and we are hoping for bigger things, to work with brands and also to move to a new place. That's my prayer, okay? So thank you once again. I love you all. Have a happy new year. Take care of yourself and thank God for everything, okay? So bye.